Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add an Instagram account. So first you need to open your existing Instagram account like this. Then after tap on your profile icon in bottom right corner like this. Then you need to tap on the three horizontal line in the top right corner just like this. Then you need to scroll down all the way down and there is option called add account. Just tap on it and there are two options here. You can add either existing Instagram account or you can create new account. So you can choose whatever option from here. For this video I am going to create a new account for this one. Just tap on it and you can choose the username for that one. I am going to use test user for this tutorial. Just tap on sorry, it can't use. So you can't add the spaces kind of thing in the username section. So it says the test bit is not available. So I have suggestions like this. You can choose one of the suggestions from that list. Then after tap on next. Okay, there is another option. You can choose same logins for the old account using share logins option, or you can choose separate password for each one. I like to create separate password. Just tap on create password instead. So you can add your password. It should be at least 6 characters. Okay, once you enter the password, you can tick this or untick this one. If you need to remember password, tick this one, tap on next. So there are two options. You can use your phone number or you can use your email. Once you enter your email or phone number, tap on next. Alright, you can see now it is completely created. So you can tap on complete sign up option. Now it is registering the new account. Okay, now it is loading. Okay, you have to confirm you are human. Just tap on continue. You have to fill this code right in the bottom. Once it is done, tap on next and you have to enter your phone number. You can use your country code and phone number, it's necessary. Once you enter that one, you can tap on send code. Then your mobile phone will get the Instagram code for the authentication. Once you enter that to here, you can create new account and you can use that both account in your one Instagram account. So this is how you can add new account and create new account for that one, and you can use both account in here. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.